So let's first understand what triggers and actions are in Power Automate. This is a fundamental concept and really important to know. Basically, a trigger is the starting point of a flow. It tells the Power Automate when should this automation begin. Think of it like when something happens, flow starts automatically. There are different types of triggers available in Power Automate. Very first one, automatic trigger, that is event based. That basically runs when something happens. For example, when a new email arrives. Another one, manual trigger, that is button based. You click a button to start. And the last one, scheduled based, something called scheduled trigger, that is time based, that runs at a fixed time. For example, every day at 10 a.m. Now, let's move on to actions. An action is what the flow does after the trigger starts it. It is the actual work that performed by the automation. Let's take an example. Email automation trigger. When a new email arrives, here are the list of actions: save attachment to folder and send notification to team. Let's quickly jump into the Power Automate portal now. Click on Create from the left navigation panel. First, let's look at Instant Cloud Flow. Here, you can provide a flow name and explore many trigger options are available. If you're creating instant cloud flow, I recommend selecting manually trigger a flow. This means the flow will start only when you trigger it yourself by clicking a button or selecting run. This type of flow is also part of attended automation where human intervention is required to trigger the process. Now, if you look at automated cloud flows, you will find triggers such as when an item is created. In simple words, this means the flow will start automatically whenever a new record or item is added to a system like SharePoint, Dataverse, or any list. We will explore more triggers later. No need to worry,